So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'll talk about the new game which is currently live, that is the Arcade Certification Zone 2026. Now how to join the game, it's very simple and we'll show you the solution guide also. First of all, make sure you subscribe the channel and to like the video. How to join the game, it's very simple. Here I've shared the arcade link. You have to just click on start and make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. Now to join the game, it's very simple. You have to copy this access code and simply click on join the game and just paste the access code, and finally we have joined the game. Now coming to the labs, you can see here we have to complete some of the labs. Now you may be worried where you're getting the solutions. The solutions are already available on the channel and it's live from midnight itself. So here you can see this is our playlist. You can just navigate and just see the playlist, or you can just come to the post section. Also I posted it earlier too. Here you can see the game URL is there, access code is there. Okay, also the solution playlist is there and the master sheet for completing the labs. Now coming to the master sheet, if you can see here, it contains how to join the game. Okay, like how to participate if you are completely new to the arcade program, how to participate and win some cool swags. Apart from this, there is a skill badges section if you want to do skill badges too. Now if you want to do only the arcade games which are listed over here in the arcade homepage, that it's very easy. You have to click on this arcade monthly games. Here you can see all these games. See, suppose if you have started today only and you want to complete base camp, the certification zone, and the level games and trivia games, all the games are listed over here on the left, and just next to it is a solution guide. So make the benefit of it, use it till the end. And if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Okay, and if you're new, just watch this video, how to participate, what are the rules, how to get the goodies, all the things. So this was a quick update. If you still have any doubts, to let me in the comment section. Current all solutions are there and all are available. So thank you, have a great day ahead.